Hi there guys, it's Shondell from Life Puzzle here. You don't know me yet, but I'm really excited to meet you. To bring you guys some really exciting tips and some educational learning that will assist you in taking your business to the next level. I know you probably joined business at some point in time when you had big dreams, you had a big why, you knew that there was a possibility for you to create greatness. Maybe you wanted to be a leader, maybe you wanted to create that extra income that would allow you to create a lifestyle for yourself and your family that would give you the resources that you needed to achieve everything that you wanted to in your life. And somewhere along the way, it probably got a little bit too hard, or maybe life got in the way, or maybe you were out there really working hard, feeling like you were doing everything that you needed to do, and you just weren't yielding those results that you were expecting for the effort that you were putting in. I'm the author of a book called Confident Closing: Sales Secrets That Grew a Business by 400% in Just 6 Months, and what that can do for you. And basically, in the methodology that I teach, I'm a big believer in the fact that business is 80% psychology and 20% strategy. And a lot of the time, what I find with the people that I work with is that they're either focusing a lot of effort on one or the other, and they're not necessarily yielding the results that they want. So we developed this methodology around how to deal with people, how to understand them, and the original title of the book was actually called Feeding Salt to Horses. I know you've all heard the saying that you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. But if you feed it the right salt and know which type of salt to feed it, by the time you get it to the water, it will be able to drink, and it will want to drink the water of its own accord. And so a lot of the methodologies that we teach is all about being able to build value in what you're doing with your product and service, and allowing you to be able to communicate that easily and efficiently so that you can work smarter, not harder. Now, I know you've probably thought that you've learned all of the methodologies that you need to learn. Perhaps you believe you're a really strong salesperson, perhaps you believe you're a really great leader, yet all the efforts that you're putting in aren't necessarily yielding those results that you'd like to see for the amount of time that you're spending. So I'd like to encourage you to join. I'm going to give you some very important tips around how you can build value in what you're doing. Fire that itty bitty shitty committee. They're the group of people that sit on your shoulder and tell you why you can't have what you want, and how you can do that in a way that it doesn't take months and months and months for you to start affecting change in your business. So a little bit of background on myself. I'm a very big fan of selling, and at the tender age of 14, I was a sales leader with Nutrimetics, and so I've worked with a lot of the strong team leaders in Australia, including the top world performers. I'm very excited to share with you some of the tools and the methodologies that have helped me to help other people work smarter, not harder in their business. So whether it's you're looking to build a stronger team and to have that belief and that faith that you can assist your team in being able to accelerate where they need to go, perhaps it's about a little bit of confidence for yourself in being able to ask the right questions and present the business plan in a way that you can feel confident that other people are going to achieve the success that they think they deserve. Or maybe it's about firing some of those itty bitty shitty committee beliefs around your worth and what you truly deserve to earn and achieve in your life. So I'm really looking forward to meeting you. Just go ahead and register on the link, and as soon as you register on the link, I'm going to send you a gift from me, which is the 7 steps to boosting your confidence, which you can start to work through and start to get some of those ideas behind what we're going to be covering off from a mindset perspective. It's about being able to apply some very simple methodologies behind the science about why people do what they do, and how we can feed the information to them in a way that they're really excited to be able to receive it, and how we can start to create those really great results in your business. So just to give you an idea, some of the methodologies that we teach, we've been able to increase closing ratios and success ratios from, say, 15 ratios all the way up to 85% in just 3 weeks. So if you're keen to become a leader, if you're keen to be able to change that mindset so that you can really start to yield those results from from the effort that you're putting out, and doing that in a smarter, not harder way, then I'd love to meet. I'm Shondell from Life Puzzle. I look forward to meeting you very soon.